I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies gooey. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F and line an 8-inch pan with parchment for easy removal. Beat whole eggs with sugar until glossy, then fold in melted butter and melted chocolate for richness. Use a higher butter to flour ratio and a splash of espresso for depth. Pour batter, tap out air bubbles, and bake until a toothpick shows moist crumbs. Let cool in pan. Warm and casual tips make baking less stressful, so let's talk ingredients you can trust. Start with 60–70% chocolate and real butter for authentic fudginess. Swap 1 whole egg for 2 yolks or add 1 extra yolk for silkiness without flavor loss. Measure flour by spooning into the cup and leveling rather than scooping. Gently fold dry into wet to avoid activating gluten and creating cake-like texture. A calm approach to timing yields perfect gooey brownies every time, so relax and watch cues, not clocks. Reduce oven to 325 degrees F and expect shorter bake times than boxed mixes claim. Look for a shiny, cracked top and a toothpick with moist crumbs rather than dry crumbs. Remove from oven when edges are set and center still jiggles slightly. Cool in pan to finish cooking gently for the ideal gooey center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.